fuck around with the fuck around. I give her the business. I got a judge and I got a bill, can't fuck with chicken.
Somebody inside
Just
this
in my
but they
pants
got
and
on
the
headphones.
bridges.
In Indianapolis, Indiana, we at the car show today, and trust me, it's a ton of cars out here. I'm gonna film some cars, but before I do that, I'm gonna take my car over here and get it judged. And right behind me, y'all see Space Ghost right there. Y'all see her. I just finished cleaning her up, so y'all check her out right there. Showing Space Ghost some love. We got everybody here. Well, not everybody, but we got people here today from Chicago. We got CJ on 32s back there. Let's spin the camera around. He back over that way. 5.0 Stain Gang is right there. There he is right there.
What up, Swan?
5.0 Stain Gang tried to race me up here, but he got... I ain't gonna tell y'all what happened. But I should have had the camera rolling. I should have had the camera rolling. No, but no joke though. This right here, 5.0 Mustang right here with this Coyote motor in it. This sucker is fast. I was doing, can't tell y'all what I was doing, but you know, we were doing 55.
Yep.
And he came up on side of me. I had to go grab another gear to keep up with this cat right here. He's too fast.
Hey, don't let him lie.
He's too fast. But it's all good. I'm finna take Space Ghost over here. This is the first real car show that I actually entered in, you guys. Well, my car is gonna get judged. I'm interested to see how it comes out. Even though CJ on 32's got the Crucial Camaro out here, y'all already know he got the serious wheels, serious paint, all that. I have zero chance of winning any type of trophy today. But I'm still gonna. Hey, what's up, Shane? How you doing, man? ACEROLLIN, nice to meet you, brother. All right. So, I got like zero chance of winning the trophy today, but I'm gonna take it over there anyway and just do it for the experience. But let's do I'm gonna do a spin shot so y'all can see everything that's going on. But of course, we're gonna walk around and look at some cars. Of course, we're gonna walk around and look at some dope cars. So let's get into Space Ghost, take it over here, get judged. 5.0 gonna ride with me too. But how about I open the door first? How about that? All right, so I'm finna go over here. This is a very odd thing, you guys. Taking your car to the judges table as opposed to them walking around and giving you a car score. This is interesting. So this is the first time we spin it around right there.
They gonna spare the legs.
Right. So we're gonna pull up here to the judges table. This is a cool dually right here. Check this out. All right, so I guess we're gonna step out the car and let them take a look at the inside and everything, and see what's to it. So I hope she wins something. She go right there. Turning out to be a pretty good show. Man, we got some nice Chevys right here. Check out my car's father. Yeah. Sound system on this truck is crazy. He just cut it off, and I'm glad he did because I couldn't film this with the truck on with all the sounds. It's crazy. Look at these speakers. It's ridiculous. A whole wall of speakers. Look at that. That's insane. You got it, bro. Look at that. Shout out CJ Motorsports right there.
They know what it is. They know we gon' get it. Finally just get the head. She ain't got no ass and titties.
That is the loudest truck I have ever heard. YouTube, I got something real special for y'all right now. ACEROLLIN always bring y'all the dope and crazy content. We drove all the way up here from Chicago, all the way to Indianapolis, and we ran into these guys from Detroit. I love Detroit. I can't wait to get back there, but check this out. They have a magazine that they put together. It's called The Official. Right here, I'm gonna show it to you, right there. But I don't know a whole lot about it, so I'm gonna turn you on to my man right here. What's your name?
My name's Don. Hey, how y'all doing? Came all the way from Detroit, West Side, Pickle Ave. Been doing it for some time. I bought, gotta say, since like 02. Been taking some time, you know, up and down, and this issue got Jeezy Shorty Low in there. Got cars from Indiana. Matter of fact, this car right here is from Indiana. So we came back down here to pay homage, show some love at the show. So we bumped into this gentleman. You got any questions you want to ask?
Well, you know what? I don't have any questions right now, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in my video, and all my subscribers, y'all go out and you find all the information. And what's your Instagram?
The Instagram is Car Game, that's CARRGAME, CA2RGAME. Facebook, you'll be able to find it from there. And just go on there. We just been out here for a minute trying to get together. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay up,
right.
All that good stuff.
Right. Hey, look, my man Don right here. Y'all go out and support him. Find all his social media. Go and support ACEROLLIN, and I'm out.
Hey, ACEROLLIN, y'all stay up. If it ain't official, it ain't official. ACEROLLIN, y'all support y'all people. Come
That's
on,
right.
Now.
Yes,
Don't nobody put it together like us.
That's
Stay
right.
up.
All right.
My man,
Thanks, man. You got it, man.
Yep.
Check it out, everybody. I had to put my sweater on. It's cold out here. Cadillac Rollin. Check it out behind me. Got a whole bunch of Polaris slingshots. Let's go check them out. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I had tons of fun chilling out with the squadrons today, riding all the way up into Indianapolis from Chicago. Tons of cars here. I tried to give you guys as much footage as I possibly can. So if you guys liked the video today, subscribe to the channel, do all those things YouTube was asked you to do. Subscribe, like, share the video if you think it was cool. But I'm getting ready to get out of here. Got a 2-hour drive back to Chicago, maybe even 2.5. I'm Ace, and I'm rolling out.